Welcome back, McLean Puffs. Welcome back, everyone. Today, my car wrecked. Yep, my car wrecked. I may know what you're thinking, Daisy. My car wrecked. This is wrecked. This is the car, dude. The car, just look at this
It looks like
stuff.
anything happened. It's all messed up.
Look at that. It's crazy. It's crazy. She's even upset for me. Hey, we need to go to my house for a minute. Getting something.
Yeah, you want gum?
Yeah.
She likes it. Wow. I finished my homework, and I'm not gonna let you borrow my book. How much do you want, Dub? When I get that cat, I'm gonna. Hey, Dad, I finished my homework. I snatched it.
No.
Okay.
I wouldn't tell you though.
I got it.
Well, guys know how usually whenever you hear the big bushes over here, it's like in the way, like right over there. Well, it's gone. It's gone. If you know, it's my phone. Sorry. That sucks. Let's go over with the boys.
Find a stick first.
Okay, fine. What do you mean? You find a stick first?
You and me?
Nah. I don't need a stick.
Well, you gotta help me find
I don't know.
help me find
Maybe we can find one behind Tyler's house.
I don't think
I mean, I found a big stick that was tall as you.
I'm broke with it.
I mean, yesterday.
I'm gonna try to get it.
You could come with me. Hello!
That's what rules. I'm gonna be like, don't overrun it. Don't overrun it.
I found it. Bye-bye.
You have to shove it still.
I'm gonna go ask if I can go behind
Okay. Yeah, I love fun.
I found that block.
Ashton, be careful. Ashton. Be very careful over here. It's very slick. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing.
I just found a rock right there.
What rock?
The biggest, hugest one. It was right there.
You mean the one all the way down there?
No. The one,
Ah!
that's right there.
Uh-huh.
I just found it.
God.
I just found it. And I just pick it up.
Cool.
Oh, so big. It's hard.
Ah! Ashton, that's not a rock, man. Look. Dude, look, it's not a rock. It's a bunch of rocks. Oh, goodness gracious. Did you find this big rock right here?
Yeah,
This is
I just did. It was right there.
I'm zooming up on your big brother. What you got? Miss Fairy Princess went up the hill.
Find fossils. It's for me. Yeah, to find fossils. Find fossils.
Alright. We're finding fossils. fossils.
What?
What happened? We're in the bag.
It's on you.
No, literally, the bag just went like this. Well, the bag just went like this because it's so windy. And I was like, it was like that. Whoa!
That's what they look.
Look at your fossils.
I see.
Look at fossils. I'm gonna go search for fossils over here. I'm gonna search for them over here. Okay. You may ask me. How do you search for fossils over here? Wow. Okay. As I was saying, how can you find fossils over here? Well, to accent, that's how you find fossils over here. I'm trying not to exactly be close. It's okay. Maybe that's not such a good idea. Look at this rock slide. Yo. You can fall like straight down there. What is that? Herman! Ah!
Look how fat that one is.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa! So Ashton just fell down the hill.
Look, I found a baby one.
I'm the baby one.
Look, JC, I found a baby one. Good job.
I can only find rocks. I can't spot any fossils.
But you have to look closely.
I am God, bro.
You know what they look like?
It's just
Look, see? That one? Say.
when I think I found one.
Look, say.
You got fell off.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. I think I found one. No, that's just a rock covered in bird poop. Ew. I found a stick. Sorry. Champion player. Guys, I found something. No, guys, come here. Look, guys.
That's part of the ground.
So
Look what I found.
cool. Back to the drain. Whoa, see if you can see it. Oh, goodness. That's creepy. And
Look.
will you film for me because I have to use the bathroom? Safe.
Perfect. I'm bad. I got it. Alright, cool. Fin. Noggin. Name for that movie. Yes. Don't do none of this. None of that. None of this. You're not on the dance floor, are you? Not on the dance floor, are you? Okay. Catch spot.
Yes.
Catch it. Got it. You just tap it. Little toss. I said I was going to you. What? Roll it to him. hard. I. There's my shoelace. I stuck to my shoelace. Oh, let me see me go. Oh, I forgot to do dishes. Roll on the ground. Roll it. Roll it. Alright. He's getting some. Roll it to me. Roll it to me. Like a roll it like you're bowling. And I'm the pin. Knock me down. No. How pitiful.
Henry, do it like Hulk. Okay, do it like Hulk. Do it on the ground hard like Hulk.
Yeah. That was good. That was perfect.
Do it like Hulk again.
Do it like that every time.
Yeah, do it like Hulk every time.
Got it? See, I could have hit the face. Have it out. Vertical. Horizontal. We're using them. For what? Base. Frick. Ashton. Come here. I gotta do this.
You gotta go in. Now I finish my school.
Hey. None of that.
Hey, when you're done, come knock on my door.
I might have to leave. Ashton, stop. Did you know who's home? Guess who's home?
Daddy. Yes. Look. Where'd your bag go?
This is filming the whole time.